Welcome to Kitchen Basics with dinnertimesomewhere.com. Today we're showing you how to bloom yeast. First, you want a big bowl as your dough is going to rise. Then, get your water ready. This is from the hot tap of our kitchen, and you want to temperature check it before using. You're looking for a temperature between 100 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So add cold water as needed to cool it down. You need to do this part as hot water will kill the yeast, while cold water won't activate it. I find it easier to get the water the right temperature in a larger quantity than actually needed for the recipe. Once at the right temperature, set the water aside. Then, get your yeast. If you have a larger container, rather than single-use packets, it's best to store your yeast in the fridge. This keeps it alive for longer. Take half a teaspoon and add it to your bowl. Then take your water and measure out 2 cups and add that as well. Finally, squeeze in a 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Yeast loves sugar and this will help speed up the activation. Stir with a fork to combine and wait for the yeast to bloom. This is the start of the recipe for our onion and garlic bread loaf that you can find at our website. After 2 minutes, you should see small bubbles on the surface of the water. And after 5 minutes, those bubbles should be much clearer and dense, and you can now move forward with the rest of the recipe. And there you have it, perfectly bloomed yeast. Please like, follow, or subscribe to our newsletter at dinnertimesomewhere.com.